everyone, this is Vartika Singh and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and like the video. So, as you already know by the title, this is a Myntra haul. Actually, a huge Myntra haul. People were commenting me, haul banao, haul banao. So, here I am with the haul. So, I have a lot, a lot, and also a shoe. So this is a huge Myntra haul. So I thought कि इसको दो पार्ट में बनाएंगे. So part 1 will be ethnic wear जो दिवाली के पहले आ जाएगा, and part 2 will be western wear जो शायद दिवाली के पहले आ जाए, or maybe not, but stay tuned and connected. Okay, now let's begin with the video. Okay, so the very first item is this black kurti. So you can see that ये शॉर्ट कुर्ती में है. सो दिस पीस इज़ वेरी वर्सेटाइल. यू कैन पेयर दिस विद डेनिम्स, धोती कुर्ता, लॉन्ग स्कर्ट्स, शरारास, whatever you want. So this is the perfect festive look. Just look at this. It looks so good and it gives that perfect festive vibe. Also the material is 100% cotton और इस पे जो foil print है that isn't of a cheap quality. The quality is really good, so you can definitely go for it. Now let's see कि ये try करने के बाद कैसा लगता है. So this is how the kurti looks when worn and I'm so grateful कि मुझे ये black color में मिल गया. कोई और color में होता तभी भी अच्छा लगता, but the black color is like a cherry on top. You can pair this with dhoti pants for any pujas in Diwali if you don't want to overdress. Also you can see that I'm wearing shorts kurti के नीचे because I'm too आलसी to wear anything just shoot के लिए. So please ignore that part. I'll be wearing shorts with every kurti. Okay, so the second one is this long anarkali kurti and इसका price I think something around 700 या 800, I don't know exactly. So this is so freaking beautiful. If you wanna buy just one thing for Diwali, buy this one. Just look at the color and look at the details. So it has this golden, what is this called? Whatever, and it has overall golden foil का work. So पूरे कुर्ती में ऐसा work है and it is so beautiful. You can just pair this with a pair of earrings and you are all set to go for Diwali. Now let's see कि ये पहनने के बाद कैसा लगता है. So this is how the kurti looks like when worn. I must admit that I am falling in love with blue color, whether it be ethnic wear, western wear or anything else. I just love blue. Also just look at the prints. It is not just print, it is work which makes it look even more beautiful and gives that festive vibe. You can pair this with plazos or pants, but I like to wear it as a dress. So the third kurti is this navy blue kurti. So this is a straight fit kurti and इसका price around 650-700 था. This is so beautiful. So you can clearly see I'm obsessed with black and blues this season because these colors are so royal. So this is what it looks like. Total festive vibes and इसके ऊपर prints हैं and the quality is so awesome. So this is from the brand Ahika and Ahika really has very good collection of kurtis. So you can pair this with plazos or pants and you are all set for the Diwali season. Now let's look at the try on haul part. So this is how the kurti looks like, perfect fitting and also sorry for again the blue color. Now I think if I were a dress designer मैं सारे dresses blue और black में ही बनाती, which is so weird, but I think I'm getting obsessed with blue और black. मुझे ये कलर छोड़ के कोई और कलर्स पसंद ही नहीं आते हैं. Okay, now let's talk about the kurti. The material is awesome and also इस पे जो prints है, these are very beautiful and gives you perfect Diwali outfit. So the last item is a sharara. So this is a black sharara. Okay, just look at this. So you can see I love black. So I bought this sharara for around 900,000 but I think it is totally worth it. इसका material इतना अच्छा है, and also you can see the घेर is मतलब इतना ज़्यादा. Just see. This is a single leg of this sharara, which makes it very beautiful. It looks really beautiful, and what to say, this is the best piece from the entire haul. I love this and I'm gonna surely wear this on Diwali. So let's see कि ये पहनने के बाद कैसा लगता है, because I don't have anything to say. This is so beautiful. So this is what the शरारा looks like, and ये शरारा में काफ़ी ज़्यादा घेर है, which makes it looks like a long skirt, and मुझे ऐसे ही शरारे पसंद हैं because it gives that graceful look. Okay, so it has beautiful golden linings, and this is again perfect for the festive season. You can pair this with kurtis, crop tops, and you are all set for Diwali. Okay, so this is the last item in the haul. This is a black heel, and this is from the brand Truffle Collection. You can get this on Myntra, Amazon, और I think इनका खुद का Instagram page भी है, so you can get it उधर से. So इसका heel height 3.5 inches है, but trust me, this is so comfortable, and this is a must-have in your wardrobe. Just look at it. You can pair this with literally anything: kurtis, jeans, plazos, lehengas, dresses, anything. So this piece is so versatile and it looks so classy and chic. You need to buy this. Okay, so this is not a sponsored video. These are my honest reviews. Whatever am I telling, this I really love it. And इसका price था I think 1300 या 1400 के बीच. I'll mention it and I'll try to link all the products in the description box. So this is what the heels looks like. अब मैं इस heel के बारे में क्या ही बोलूँ. It is so versatile. For the longest time I was in the perception that pencil heels are very uncomfortable, and this heels literally broke my myth. They are so comfortable and they look so chic, edgy and classy. I just love this one. Okay, so yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो और आपके दिवाली शॉपिंग में थोड़ा सा हेल्प हो. Also part 2 is gonna come very soon, which is western wear. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. What are you doing? Go subscribe. Okay, see you all. Bye.